Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on how to navigate the private collection summary screen. To get to the private collection summary screen from the welcome screen, you're going to use your left side navigation and click on private collection and then summary. You will want to filter by a time period. Automatically, it chooses by the month. I'm going to show you by all time. So my ranking place all time in the portal is number 84. I have uploaded a total of 6 images. I've submitted 3 for review. 3 are pending review still. I still have 3 new images. I don't have any assigned to me. None of the images have been rejected so far, and none of the images have been verified so far. Fish species traits tagged by trait type. On the portal, we have a section in the edit screen where you can create polygons for different fish species traits. Here, you will be able to see the number of polygons you have created for each of these traits. Unique species counts will give you a list of species that you have uploaded based on how you tagged the image. So here it says that I've uploaded 4 images with rainbow trout. 1 of those is a new image. 2 of them, excuse me, have species polygons. 1 image is pending, 0 are verified, 0 are rejected. And so far, I have tagged 11 species traits. 0 measurement lines, and I've included 0 of the images in the object detection model. Here, images is a graphical representation of images that you have uploaded, submitted, and have been verified by the time you've selected here in the top right-hand corner. Below this graphical representation are metadata tags that you have tagged on these images. Underwater, no fish in photo, not a real fish, a test photo, an X-ray image, images to be included in the object detection model, and then the number of unique species that have been submitted and the number of unique species images that have been verified. Below here is the individual ranking for the portal. Since I'm number 84, I will not I'll have to scroll down pretty far. Shows you the top 30. And it breaks down the individual, how many polygons they've drawn, how many traits they've labeled, how many images they have uploaded, how many images they have submitted, how many images of their submittal have been rejected and or reviewed. And then the badges I have available to earn. Thank you for joining the summary of the private collection.